Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most surprising reveals at the 2025 SEMA show, the Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid Nasu Edition. Now, this isn't your average city crossover. This is a one-off concept designed to tackle the outdoors, inspired by Japan's scenic NT Nasu, and it's here to prove that even the humble Corolla Cross can go full adventure mode. Right off the bat, the Nasu Edition makes a bold statement. The entire body has been reimagined by Toyota's Service Parts and Accessories Development (SPD) team, the same crew responsible for developing official Toyota accessories. The custom purple wrap, inspired by the Japanese word nasu, meaning eggplant, immediately sets it apart. Up front, there's a one-off body kit and modified hood scoop, giving it a tougher stance. The suspension has been lifted, the wheel arches flared, and the whole body rides on custom Toyota truck wheels wrapped in Toyo Open Country A/T3 all-terrain tires, a combination that transforms its look from commuter to trail conqueror. Everywhere you look, there's functional adventure hardware, rock sliders, an articulating roof rack, a cargo basket, and a rear-mounted downhill mountain bike, paying tribute to champion rider Asa Vermette. Under the hood, Toyota kept things efficient yet capable. The 2.0-liter Atkinson Cycle 4-cylinder hybrid system pushes out a combined 196 horsepower through an AWD setup. It's not a rugged off-roader in the sense of a Tacoma TRD Pro, but the suspension lift and all-terrain tire setup mean it's more than ready for gravel, mountain trails, or that weekend camping trip. Toyota's SPD engineers didn't just focus on looks. They made sure this concept is ready for real-world adventure. The custom light bars, fog lamps, and illuminated door sills make night setups and campsite illumination easy and stylish. There's even lighting for the cargo sill and puddle lamps, a small but premium touch. The 2026 Corolla Cross Hybrid Nasu Edition is proof that with the right imagination and some clever engineering, even a compact crossover can turn into a weekend explorer. With its lifted stance, hybrid powertrain, off-road gear, and lifestyle-focused details, this concept bridges the gap between urban practicality and outdoor passion. Expect to see the Nasu Edition on display at Toyota's booth, Central Hall, booth 22200, at the 2025 SEMA show, alongside more than 24 concept builds under the theme Powered by Possibility, showcasing Toyota's innovation across every powertrain: IC, HEV, PHEV, BV, and FCV.